As many of you may know, I've been using Ear Pro from AXIL for about 3 years now. Sadly, a few months back, I slammed up my GS Extreme earbuds in the truck door. Of course, that ruined them. Well, today I've got the AXIL GS Extreme earbuds, the 2.0 version. We're going to unbox those. We're going to take a quick look, and we're going to kind of compare the 2.0 to the 1.0 and see if there's any major design changes. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Let's not waste any more time and let's get these GS Extreme earbuds version 2.0 from AXIL unboxed. So here we are with the box of GS Extreme 2.0s. Now, once we unbox these, we'll bring my 1.0 versions in and just kind of compare, see if they look any different, see if there's any visible differences anyway. But noise reduction rating on the GS Extremes, 19 to 30 decibel. That sort of depends on if you're in the passive or the active mode. Get the little keeper tab there out, and yeah, here we go. Let's get in here, and just like the 1.0s, 2.0 is going to come with the nice little case here, so that's pretty cool. That out of the way, and yeah, let's open these dudes up, see what we have. Oh wow, so these come in a little bag. You've got, looks to be a quick start manual there. It's going to be your paperwork. Definitely want to read that. This is going to be your accessories, the rubber and the foam. I like the way these are packaged too. Really nice packaging with all this. Good Lord, they're packed up even inside there. But you're going to have foam as well as silicone cushions, I guess. That's what we'll call those. And all kinds of little goodies in here. There they are. And then we've got a charging cable. So one thing that I'm curious about, and we'll obviously compare that a little later. These are, the 2.0s are USB-C. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the 1.0s are USB, what is it? The micro USB, which is, at this point, is pretty antiquated. So let's get the actual earbuds out here. Maybe. Again, they do not scrimp on the packing. Very well packed here. So everything looks to be very, very similar. Yeah, very, very similar. Of course, we do not have our earbud portions on there, the foamy parts. As far as the controls, don't see anything majorly different about them. Okay, very cool. I will say this, the control box, the control module here, I think looks a little different. Let's bring in the version 1.0. Here's my version 1.0, and you can see the controls are the same. And yes, the new version here, if I can get the little cap off. Come on, dude. Okay, may not be able, there it goes. USB-C, and then the old version, of course, right here is that mini micro USB, whatever you call it. So that is a difference. And then notice the thickness too. So it's going to be interesting as we use the 2.0s in instead of the 1.0s. Going to be really interesting to see if the added electronics, if that extends battery life, if it helps with the clarity, that sort of thing. So if we get to the earbud portion here, get that little thing off, comparing those, everything pretty close to the same. Still got the wire here, which is a great feature. It's one of the things I like about the AXIL GS Extreme stuff here is you can bend this around your ear. It just fits so perfectly, kind of a one-size-fits-all universal thing. And then all of this being on this cord, which of course it needs the cord for the electronics to operate, that acts as a lanyard around your neck so you don't lose anything. So let's get in the actual controls portion here. And yeah, if we look there at the controls, your on off, your volume, your other things, everything seems to be the same. Diameter of the wires seems to be the same. Not a whole lot of difference. So upgraded electronics possibly with the 2.0s, and definitely one thing that I really love, did I say really enough, is that USB-C. Everything nowadays I use, of course, the Samsung Galaxy phone, my microphones that I use to record videos, like everything is USB-C. So it's really a pain when you have to carry the old school micro USB, whatever you want to call it, cables around just for that. So this will work with any of the existing electronics I have, which is, of course, an added bonus. I'm putting this segment in after the fact. I forgot a very important feature of the GS Extremes from AXIL. Those that are familiar with the 1.0 versions, you already know this, but for the folks out there that might not be aware, both the 1.0 as well as the new 2.0 version of the GX Extreme are Bluetooth, and they will hook to your phone so you can accept calls, listen to music, and that sort of thing. If you want to check out some more stuff from AXIL, there'll be some videos popping up on the screen here in just a second. Remember, if you do decide to pick up something, you can save 15% with code CLOVER15, but you need to pay attention to the sales that AXIL offers. Oftentimes, they will have sales that give you an even better discount. As for this video, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.